This is a little video showing what I have done with a module in my course. This is a new course that's being created through the CTE grant. It is ESOL for Job Search, which is the lowest level that we have to help students find jobs and be prepared for careers. They go on and take another one, English for Business, after that, and then they're ready to take courses in the business management department. So I'm just going to go through this really quickly. I have not finished the syllabus. There will be a liquid syllabus, but basically the first week is learning about the class. We do the orientation module. And then let me move this recorder out of the way so I can click next. And so that's the first page. There will be a link to a liquid syllabus because since I started using them, I love them and I will keep doing them. There will be a syllabus quiz also. It's not loaded yet. The first section is, and the content for this course has already been created. It's going to be either hybrid or online, and I am collecting, I'm working with the course outline that we have, but I'm also adding new things. So this curriculum has already been set up, so I'm using the curriculum that's here. The first is a video that has business greetings, and then as we have a lot of Muslim students, there is something here for students to know how to not shake hands if they don't feel comfortable shaking hands, and we'll be talking about this in class. This is also a wiki page, so trying to help students feel comfortable not shaking hands and following along in business situations. This is a wiki, so it is editable by everyone, and the students are going to be adding their own culture's views on the correct business greetings. So we'll have comparisons from the students in the class. Next, this is also something that was pre-established for this course, which is going to Career Coach and checking and doing a short assessment or a longer one, and then coming back to talk about it with the class. So the next thing here is I created a Padlet, and I'm going to have the students will, after they've done their Career Coach experience, they're going to come in here and write sentences about what they learned about themselves, what they discovered. So that is one way that they can show what they have learned. Next, we do career goals. That's like the first thing that they do. So creating they've done the survey, and then they have some questions that they have to answer. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to put this in a different format, but basically this is the introductory page, and it just says read about your first writing assignment. And these are the questions they're supposed to consider, and then there's a sample career goal statement that they're going to be working with, and then it's broken down in the next area. It's broken down to answering some of the questions. I've added screenshots to show them how to submit a text entry because they will be fairly low-level students. And these are the questions again, and all they need to do is choose some questions to answer. What we're trying to get at is what job experience they've had and what's worked for them, and what they might need to change in order to have a career that they're really happy with. So that is sentences in a text box. Next, we're going to, this is sort of a cumulative discussion, how to, collect all the information that they did through Career Coach and also through answering questions, and the idea of what makes people happy. And I just found a couple, like this is, do you want money or do you want to help people kind of thing, but also just what are possibilities. And I want them to discuss what surprised them. What did they learn about themselves that was unexpected or surprising, and what is your overall impression of what will make the best career or job experience for you? And then, so this will be a discussion post. The replies will have classmates offering, helpful suggestions or encouragement about the conclusions that students made about themselves. And so we want to really identify, what students really want to do so that we can help guide them. The next part of this is the career goal statement, and they will be turning that in also in a text entry box. But I've already showed them how to do that, so it should be okay for them to do it. And it has a rubric with grading. Mostly we want them to collect all their documents. There'll be resumes, there'll be networking, there'll be all kinds of things, and they'll be collecting all of this to help them in their job search. And here's week 1 checklist. Just these are the things that we've done, along with links back to those exercises. So one thing that I've found a little bit difficult is that because it's a 2-unit class, so therefore it's 2 hours class time per week plus 4 hours of homework. So in order to get, I use the rubric really carefully, but in order to get kind of everything in there in each module, I feel like the modules are going to be maybe too long. So what I'm going to do is just try to follow the equity rubric the best that I can in the overall course, so that students will have the benefit of a course designed by using the equity rubric. I'm just not sure how much I can do in each module so that it doesn't take too long for them. Anyway, that is the look at what I've tried to do for this first module. The orientation module is already completed, and you saw the resources portion of it last week, and I'll probably make another video to go through the entire orientation. So that's it. Thanks.